Good morning, Tamara. It's great to join you over coffee today.
Yeah, good morning, Joy. It's so great to see you as well.
Normally this time of year, we'd be gathering to honor and celebrate those who participated in putting together the amazing convocation ceremony, the installation ceremony, and the honoring feast. And it's too bad we can't be together, but this is just a chance to connect with you and with all of the volunteers and thank them.
It certainly was an amazing set of ceremonies, and particularly given the unique circumstances. And I too am sorry to miss my first breakfast as Chancellor where I can gather with all of you, but wonderful to be with you here in our virtual kitchens.
Yes, it was a wonderful, I have to admit, the installation in particular was such a wonderful experience for me. Do you remember the fog rolling in?
Yes, yeah.
It was really quite something. And it was so well organized. I was so impressed.
We were so well supported. I absolutely agree. And the weather was perfect as well. And having the first time that we wore the Indigenous robes, I can tell everybody who told me they look so beautiful on screen. And I can say they even felt more beautiful and special to wear.
Yeah, the weight of them.
The beauty and the symbols, and truly, I wore them with pride and humility. It was a beautiful, beautiful day.
I'm so impressed with the team as well because of the way that they've been able to bring in some of those Indigenous elements into our convocation as well. Convocation is such an important moment for everyone. It launches our students and sets them on a path. It's an important, event also for our entire community. And to see this Indigenous elements, woven in, I just thought was wonderful. The drumming, the song, it was great.
I absolutely agree. The team did a phenomenal job making it look seamless and easy while navigating COVID. And I was really impressed by the special touches that the team at SFU did to recognize and personalize the experience for each and every student so they could celebrate with their families, in their own homes, with their own cultural traditions. It really was a hallmark to what SFU is all about, and why I was just so proud to serve as Chancellor.
Yeah. Another thing for me also was having our families with us. That's the upside of COVID-19 is that we had
we're all together.
Yeah, had people in our bubble able to robe us. And I've had a lot of people say that they think we should integrate this from now on. So we'll have to have the ceremonies and events people think about that.
Yeah, absolutely. They really thought about every detail.
Yeah, it was a very, very special day, and it does take a village for sure to stage an installation, a convocation, and an honoring feast. And so thank you to everyone who participated. This year, because we can't be with you to share a coffee, we're going to be giving you a gift certificate for a coffee, and I think the link is going to be made available after this filming. So I just want to say thank you to everyone once again. It's just been fantastic to be part of these events this fall, and look forward to continuing to work with all of you.
Yeah, absolutely. I echo that thanks, and can't wait until we can see each other in person. But until then, stay safe, stay focused on the values of our university and our community, and I know we'll get through this.
Thanks, Tamara. See you again soon.
Yeah, take care, Joy. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.